So let's say you want to apply a logo on a product. It's actually really simple. First, split your view and change the editor type to shader editor. I have this really simple logo that I made. So just simply drag and drop the PNG into the shader editor. But before doing that, make sure the background of your logo is transparent. Now if you plug in the color output, things will get weird. But don't worry, we will fix all of that. Now split your view again, but this time switch to the UV editor. And click this drop down and select the logo you just imported. Then select your object and go into edit mode. And select the area you want the logo to be. I want this much area, so I will face select that. And now press U and choose UV unwrap. And now in the UV editor, press A to select all and adjust it according to your wants. I'll speed up this process a bit. Then in the 3D viewport, press Ctrl I to invert the selection, and in the UV editor, move all of the faces out of the image like this. Now in the shader editor, make sure the extension of the image is set to extend or clip, not repeat. Now most of the problems have been solved except for the color problem, so let's fix that. First, disconnect the connection of the image texture and add a mix color node. Plug the alpha of the image texture into the factor and the color into the B socket, and change the color of the A socket to whatever color you want your object to be. Then simply plug the result into the base color and boom, easy peasy. The logo has been applied. Enjoy!